Rio, Texas, and on the right is the International Bridge. Behind that structure is where more than 13,000 people is sheltering, waiting.
Yo grab live, 12,000 Haïtiens live.
We have seen kids, mothers, pregnant women crossing the border to this part of the river, which is not too big. You can go through, go to the back, go back and forth, they come.
Olda hakuna. Hakuna rico.
They're not receiving enough food from the United States authorities. We walked through the streets of this town, and we saw people purchasing food, purchasing water, purchasing chicken, and as you see in those pockets, they're carrying out that things back to the camp.
Apa gen box statue, sak statue la, apa gen sachet noir.
They got a ticket, a number in line from United States authorities to be processed. That process, they're telling us here, could take up to 3 days. In the meantime, they are coming back and forth for food. Women with little kids, how we see, is very complicated, very complex. Also, the weather today, the temperature is up to the 103 degrees, Anna.
Wow. Thank you so much for giving us a sense of what is happening there. Michael Roa, appreciate it. We'll let you get to reporting. And that just shows you that this surge has not stopped. Joining us now is Jay Johnson. He served as Homeland Security Secretary under President Obama. Secretary Johnson, it's always a pleasure to have you and your insights and expertise.